When you watch a show and you're sitting in the audience, or when you watch a movie, you search for yourself on that stage or on that screen. You try to find someone to relate to. And upon finding that person, you allow them to tell your story. Born and raised in Long Beach, California. Went to college in Mississippi at Mississippi College, majored in English Literature and Theater Performing Arts. I can't separate using theater just to be creative and using theater to minister and to share the gospel. I think those go hand in hand. I was doing work in a couple of universities, and I noticed that there were a certain group of youngsters that would go to the theater, that would go and see plays, and I was like, I want to be able to talk to those people, to reach those people, to hang out with those people. So I talked about directing a play, and after casting everyone, I look around at the cast, and everybody was so different. We had a couple of believers, we had a couple of people who were Hindu, someone who was Jain, we had agnostic, an atheist, a Muslim, and they were all coming together to tell the story of Christ. With this particular play, I actually wrote a Bible study that revolved around each character, and I took the actor through that Bible study to help them understand their character even more. With the first play, it was more a presentation of what the Lord has done and who He is, and for this one, it was more intimate, and for me, it was, okay, this is what the Lord can do in your life. I wrote the script with specific actors in mind, and I wrote the script to affect the specific person that I wanted to play the role. So for me, it was extremely personal. The arts, it allows people to let their guards down, because we're all afraid to be extremely vulnerable and open ourselves. So people long to use these avenues to express themselves. Being that we serve a creative God, that we should be able to express our love and admiration for Him and tell our testimony and our story through those avenues as well. Creativity is a huge part of my faith, which is why theater and music and visual arts, all these things, they affect people. And I think that every believer who's an artist should understand that that's a gift from God, and it's a valid gift to use to spread the gospel. Someone sees himself on stage, and they see their problems on stage, and they see that those problems are met and resolved through and by the gospel and through having a relationship with Christ. They'll want that. Our lives are evangelism. Like, that's what we're supposed to do, whether we're a secretary in an office or whether we're a soccer coach or a teacher. Our lives are supposed to breathe the gospel. We're supposed to be living, walking testaments of the amazingness that is being saved by Christ.